That's weird. Hello and welcome to the stream. But why can't you guys see anything? It's a very good question. Nothing? You guys can't see nothing. Game capture. Select video. Games take on Mars. Is it gonna work? Let's try that again. Hey, there we go. Does it work in full screen? It stops responding in full screen. How strange. Okay, we're out of full screen now. Looks like we are golden. I'll just have to deal with the little marker at the very top of the screen. But hello and good morning. That took 1:15 seconds of our gameplay. Today we're taking on Mars. We just got the slight sounds. Look at all that. We've named so much of the planet. We've never even been there. In person. Let's go to the space program. It's been years since I played this, so we're gonna restart. Years. Alright, chapter 1 or chapter 2? We're gonna go chapter 1. Oh, there's some music. A little loud, aren't ya? I'll turn you down. The Pol Tomas crater, December 2nd, 1971. Deploy the Mars 3 station. Perform an analyzing of the soil. And drive the Prop M rover for at least 15 seconds. Alright. So we're in a Russian craft. Shift. Just deployed the 3 station. Okay, arrow keys. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, hey, man. Welcome to the stream. Alright. This is our little probe. It's walking forward. Its first steps. It's beautiful. We just need to perform analyzing of the soil. I have plenty of cable though. Alright, we've driven for 15 seconds. So right there is good. Now let's see, right click. Instruments. Analyzing. Do not move the instrument. Many years later. Oh, the robot's so cute. Yeah.
Welcome to the space program. We are in the mission control room, from where you will send vehicles to the surface of Mars on various scientific missions. First off, you will be asked to choose between game time and real time. You may skip time if using game time, but time only passes during play. The real time setting is a bit more hardcore and does not allow time skipping, instead working with real life time. This choice is given only once, so choose wisely. Lastly, the top right of the screen gives you access to 3 important sections. Tech Research opens the technology development tree, where you can research new technologies that will offer even more possibilities. Encyclopedia contains detailed information and facts about the Red Planet according to your progression. The more objectives you achieve, the more articles you unlock in the encyclopedia. Objectives lists all the various objectives you will have to complete in the space program.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna use game time because we have no time for real
move
time.
Between areas within the Mars X Space Agency, such as the map, click the appropriate areas on the screen. Alternatively, for faster navigation, use the corresponding buttons at the bottom of the screen.
Well, I wish I could see the buttons at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Had to move the thing over to the side. Let's see. We want to go to the map, go to the lab, complete all robotic missions. Notifications, we have none. I guess we'll go to the map.
The map serves as a hub to access new missions as well as ongoing missions. From here you will send vehicles to Mars as well as track your overall progress in exploration. By clicking on a location, we can see an overview of the location itself, displaying missions and vehicles on the surface. If we select a mission on the map, we can see general information about it, with more available in the mission details. Provided the mission does not have an assigned vehicle, we can send a new one to complete it, or assign a nearby vehicle on the surface that can complete the tasks at hand. Keep in mind that the vehicle list to the right includes both vehicles nearby and vehicles that would need to be launched, but only displays those vehicles that can complete the tasks required. From here, we can also connect to vehicles that are already on the surface, by either selecting them directly or selecting their mission and then pressing Connect to Vehicle. Also, should a vehicle be severely damaged and unusable, we can shut it down by selecting it and pressing Shut Down Vehicle. Lastly, should you choose to send a new vehicle, you may customize it by selecting Vehicle Details, followed by Modify Vehicle, which will take you to the rover lab for customization.
The video was kind of out of sync, but we'll live with it. So we got Victoria Crater here. 4 missions available. Okay. We could send a probe. New probe. Construct the vehicle.
This is the construction lab, where you can manage the vehicles you have already created, load an existing vehicle, or create a new one. Provided your funds are sufficient and the technologies have been researched, you'll be able to come up with a wide range of very complex vehicles. To create a new vehicle, first, select the type of chassis in the list of available chassis and press the Select Chassis button with the left mouse button. Then, you can select the instruments you would like to equip your vehicle with. By selecting On Board, you can visualize the instruments that the vehicle has installed. And by pressing Add, you can browse the list of all the instruments that have been researched so far and make your selection. The icons on the right of the instruments list filter the instruments by category. It is then easier to visualize the slots where the instruments will be installed. Green for an empty slot, and red for already used. You can rotate the camera by holding the right mouse button, and zoom in and out with the mouse wheel. This comes in handy for better visualizing your vehicle. To install an instrument, choose the one you want by clicking it in the list. Then click on an available slot to finalize the operation. To remove an instrument, simply click on the red slot that contains the instrument. The requirements window contains a list of mandatory instruments the vehicle must be equipped with. The vehicle cannot be finalized if the requirements haven't been fulfilled. One last thing, to aid with decision making, each instrument that you select possesses a detailed description displayed in the right window of the screen. Once you're satisfied with your vehicle, you can test it in the Mars yard or save it. Select Back to cancel the construction.
Wow, that's a lot to learn. Alright, so let's build one of these probes. We need a power source, so a basic battery will be installed. Now we need a camera. Now we got 2 different cameras, but I think we only have room for one. So we got, the camera provides basic, scanning imagery, close-up picture, and this one is wide-angled camera, so we'll put a wide angle in there. There we go. Let's launch the mission. And of course we're going to want to launch or land as close to our target as possible. Let's do it. Why so many rules? I don't know, man. We're coming down. This is the camera on the the probe itself. I'm getting closer. Oh boy, there's Mars. We're coming down. If I recall, there's a button. Explorer complete. 10K. We're taking these pictures. Oh yeah, there's us. Boom! And if it falls over? And there we go. Notifications. With all tasks of major value complete, the mission has been considered accomplished. Well done. 150,000 bucks. Alright, cameras. Yeah. Instruments. Power level. Standard controls. Console command input. Okay. Location information. Now the question is, what buttons do we push to go back to the command center? Return to game. Okay. Save game. Let's save a game. Alright. How do we get out of this? Let's see. That won't help. Command list. No. Clear. Standard controls. Information panel. Is that what we want? Navigation. Mission. No missions assigned. Logs. Accomplished. Disconnect. Select. There we go. My God. This is FBI. Alright, that mission is accomplished. So, let's go to our tech research area. Gosh, there's so much technology to research. So much technology. Physics, chemistry. We need to find out what our next mission is going to require from us. Yeah. To the map. Alright, so we went to Victoria Crater. Let's see about Lyot Crater. Let's see. I guess we'll launch just the basic pre-made probe for this one. Execute the assigned task to find the mission. Mission details. Explore. Launch vehicle. Launch. Here we go. You complete up before you go take some pictures. Yeah. I suppose. We need some colored cameras is what we need. Coming down. Mission accomplished. Woo! Oh, night vision. Here we go. There we are. All right. Mission. Connect. Oh, getting dizzy. Disconnect. There we go. More money in the bank. So, we've been to Victoria, Lyot, North Pole Cap. New technology required for additional. Let's see. Terrain. Terrain. Hazards. Ooh. Only hazard was here. Alright. Gale Crater. What's the mission say? Explore. Okay. Let's launch the probe. Launch it. $52,000. At least we're making a whole bunch of cash doing this, you know? So all those little dots right there all over the planet for exploration. We just need to explore a bit, get our money up, then we'll know what we need to research. Here we come. I don't think we need to take any pictures this time. I mean, we could, but it's so dark right now. Yeah, see, we've almost hit the ground already. Shouldn't have hit the planet at night. Let's see, what night vision looked like? Ugh, just blinding. Wait, was that detail I saw for a second? Oh, just a little bit. So when night vision turns on, it just lasts. And then gets less intense. Cool. Again, to explore. Let's see. Lander chassis. Let's start research on that. It'll take 4 in-game hours. We still have lots of money. So, we've got a new chassis coming. 0G probe chassis. 950. Internal electronics. Start research on that too. Automatic lander navigation software. That sounds great. Since we're getting like the pieces to build a lander. Heat resistant ceramics. Soil pH analyzer. The tools themselves, we don't know what we need yet. So, how do we go back? There we go. While while that money's been spent, let's go to Gasser Crater. All missions in this area have been completed. Really? Alright. There's the South Pole. Let's go back to Victoria Crater then. It's on the day side of the mission. We're going to... Oh, there's a life probe that we can launch here. Oh, that's already there. Okay. That's down here. And no longer useful because it doesn't have any wheels. Alright, let's launch this probe. Launch. Elizabeth, welcome to the stream. We're launching probes at Mars. We definitely should upgrade the camera. That is a key thing. I'd like to be able to see color. Yeah, right? Several $1 million that we're spending right now. Sending probes to Mars. And here it comes. We should get paid out. There we go. Explore completed. Yeah, okay. So we're going to research a better camera. There's our shadow. Yeah. Boom. Can't click on those. Alright, so we're gonna go connection, and we're gonna go disconnect. Disconnecting, please wait. Alright, let's go to research. Oh, this is the building room, isn't it? The manual way to go there? Oh, cleaning us? Alright. That's cool, but I wanted to go over to this other one. Oh my gosh. How much decon do we need? No, we're not ready to build it yet. Let's go back over to here. Let's see. We want instrument optics. We want low-powered socket system, microchip, color, CCD chip. That sounds like color to me. Monochrome CCD. cameras, optics and electronic software, chemistry, geology, physics, nuclear, soil. Okay, so back over to optics. Look at chat. Schmeeble! Wow. Way to get gassed. Looks like a rocket. We have landed. We have landed several probes so far, but only probes. Fixed focal length camera. Basic, wide angle. It requires this tech. So we'll research that. We're going to research the high-powered LED illumination. Sounds great. So there's the camera stuff. And the electronics to power it is probably a good idea. So we'll get that researched too. And then we'll pass some time. We spent a lot of money there, so. We're time warping! We are 1 hour in the future. I should have seen how long it would take to get some of these done. So let's go back over here. Well, that helped out. This one's 50% done. These ones are about a quarter. So let's do 4 hours. Skip time. That coffee will never get cold. Alright, FBI. Sounds good to me. Let's check out our research. Oh, look at that. The lunar lander chassis has been completed. Then we've got this research over here, which has been completed. Adjustable focal length camera. Sounds nice. This will give us multi-zoom camera abilities. 3-socket turret, high-res, chrome. I want all the camera stuff. And a color chip. We've spent a ton of cash. We best go make some more. Alright, objectives. Missions required to complete this objective. Mapping of Mars surface. Okay. We're working on that. Let's see if we can exit construction. Well, okay. Let's see if we can manage a created device. Got a small lander. But we have send to Steam. What? Let's load an existing vehicle. Okay, last edited. Load vehicle. Now, the camera itself. What options do we have? Basic imager wide. Basic imager. Telescope. Camera provides basic black and white images. Provides basic black and white. Black and white. Black and white. I wanted a better camera. Alright, we're gonna put on the 5K right there. And now we got our camera. We're going to back up. Back up. Exit construction. How do we go back to the other area? There we go. Right side click. But now we gotta go through the decon again. That tells you what. I've played PUBG on PC, but it's currently not installed. There's the developer team. So you turn off the lights. Okay, and there's a, you can actually play this. It's a game inside of a game. Let's do a mission with our new camera. Victoria Crater is currently in the dark side. But this one is already finished. So we're gonna wait 1 hour. So we get something that's got a mission on the light side. It would be nice if we could skip that. Alright, Nothing on there. I guess we'll go to Victoria. Alright, launch the new probe, Life 1. No. We want our new probe, which is called Last Edited. Launch vehicle. See what our new optics look like. There's a lot of dirt on it. Turn on the good thing it didn't say land during the day. Explore completed. $10,000. With all the major tasks of value, this mission can be considered accomplished. The red markers are which thrusters are going off right now. It is kind of cool. Boom. We hit. And now we are looking at the night sky. Let's go ahead and disconnect from this. No need to stay. We got our money. The scientists are like, wow, this blurry spot looks like all the other blurry spots on the planet. Do we have anything researching right now? I can't remember. Yes, 3 camera systems. Alright. Alright, it's going well, I must say. Let's explore some more of Mars. So only the spots with missions are showing right now. We don't have any missions in orbit at this time. Victoria Crater's only got 1 more spot. So we'll go ahead and launch our last edited vehicle. There's going to be so much space junk on Mars by the time we people move there. We're going to hit it with as many of these round, bullet-like vehicles as we can. Do-do-do. It's so quiet on Mars. Till the thrusters start firing. And then it's quiet again. 10,000 monies. Yeah. And we've fallen. But can we get back up? No. We're gonna have to disconnect. Let's see. So Victoria Crater is now finished until we get additional technology. So, what's the additional technology we need for this mission? Oh, Deimos? We can go to the moon? We can go to the moon. I didn't even know we could go to the moon. That seems amazing. Let's launch our probe at it. Get paid some extra cash. Wow. It's the moon. It's so quiet. Alright, there we go. Thrusters are starting to fire. There's no atmosphere here. It's just the moon. Explore completed. Well done. All major tasks have been complete. Are we still falling? I think we are. Like, there's no very low gravity, so we're still falling closer and closer. Mission data. There is no more mission data, so I guess we're gonna let it just smash into the moon. That's hilarious. Alright, let's see here. We got our little cameras all set up here. Let's see. What to do. We're gonna go to exploring Mars. That's Deimos. We've, let's see. Mars Island. All missions completed here. Mars Yard. We can go to Earth? Alright. We'll spend $52,000 exploring our own backyard. What's this? Current weather. Oh, we're actually just physically here. Oh. Current weather. Solar event. Camera. What? Alright, well, while we're here, we should probably get some research started. Additional research. Probably in the actual robotics. Multiple chassis. 0G Pro. Oh, that costs so much money. Let's see. We want to close this. Then we want to go back. Guys, how do I go back? You are here. Terrain, hazards, mission. Resources. Earth rock. Earth soil. Let's see. Do. Save game. Save. Okay. What if we go disconnect? Oh, thank goodness. Okay. I was a bit concerned there. Yeah, we don't want to go to Earth. Europa. All missions completed, of course. The moon. Can't do any missions there yet. The asteroid belt. Do you want to unlock the asteroid belt for 500k? No. This crater is complete. This one is not. Let's skip like 4 hours so it's in the sunlight. Did it. We are in the future. There it is. So 2 more. We're just gonna send the basic probe. Not a new probe, basic. Launch. And it's daytime. Yay! Ooh, that's some nice topography there. Landing. 300 meters. 200 meters. And we've got the Explorer. Bing! We hit a rock. Take a picture. Alright, there we go. Disconnect. Alright. We've got tech researching right now. We're building up our cash. Let's move this down here. Gale crater. One last area. Sunrise is what they called that probe. Let's launch this one. Here it comes. Some kind of mountain range there. See how the line goes. And it's very interesting. And we got our pay. We don't even have to watch these. We know we don't get anything additional. It'll land fine. Let's get some more money. If you've seen one probe land, you've seen them all. Let's see about our tech. Advanced lander chassis, small lander, solar array assembly. Let's research one of them. And check the exploration. Objectives. We've got 8 out of 10 of the robotic missions and perform basic terrain mapping of Demos. We've almost got... We got 3 out of 4 on that. Demos. Basic terrain mapping. Whoa, there's so many. So we're going to launch just the basic probe at that. There. Launch probe. And we just gotta wait until we get paid, and then we can disconnect and go on to the next one for Deimos. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up night vision, but that didn't help. Nope. Instruments. Just the camera. Optics. That's all we got. Did we get paid? I was looking away. Mission? No mission assigned. Looks like we did. Disconnect. Alright. Next mission to Deimos. Let's see. Just a basic probe. Here we go. The music as we fall closer and closer to El Moon. There we go. Mission completed. Disconnect. Alright. Interesting that it said we already completed one, yet we still have 2 extra. Or, well, 1 extra. falling into the endless void of space as we get closer to Deimos, traveling so fast. Exploration complete. Let's head back. I mean, I didn't get anything out of that, but I'm sure they're using some high-level filtering to get that detail that we couldn't get because it was on the dark side. And the last one. Launch mission. The silence. One gabillion subs. Royal Builds, welcome to the stream as we explore Mars and slowly fall towards the planet. Boom! I don't know what all that was, but let's take a look. Objective totally complete. Perform basic terrain mapping of Deimos. The Deimos smaller moons could hold the answer to the celestial origins of Mars. The basic terrain mapping would help to determine. With all the tasks completed, U.S. Naval Observation in Washington, D.C., the American astronomer Hall carefully searched the region around Mars using a 26-inch reflector telescope. He was looking for moons thought to be orbiting the red planet. On August 12th, 1877, he discovered what he later called Deimos. Hall discovered Mars' second moon, Phobos. 6 days later, he began his search based on the knowledge that Jupiter had multiple moons, and therefore there was a chance Mars may too. He wasn't wrong. The smaller moon could hold the answer to celestial origins. With all tasks completed of major science, it's time to leave. At least until we get better technology. Alright, let's look at our objective screen. Objective completed. So, now, we need to just do 2 more of Mars basic mapping. Yeah, oh, close down there. Alright, 2 more. An outer space alien would probably fit the best, for we are in the future, with space jumping technology. What's in the sun? Gale crater? Nothing left. Nothing we can do here. Victoria. Nothing there with our current technology. Cancer. There we go. Okay. We'll go for the big one in the middle. Launch probe. It's strange how we can survive so well without destroying this thing. Just take a few pictures here. And we can confirm there's no lights on the dark side of Mars. We've landed on our side. Disconnect. So 1 more is required for basic mapping. 1 more objective. So let's go to that same area. We'll go over there. Launch the mission. Man, once we get some rovers going, we'll be exploring this thing. nice if there was sound effects. But all we can really do is look at the darkness. Objective completed. Alright. Look at all these dark things. Alright, objective completed. Required mission. Mapping of Mars. Perform basic terrain mapping of the Mars surface. Requires mission 4. So we got more. So we got to do 4 more. That's weird. So it's like 13. I'm gonna grab some coffee while this mission is completed. You guys, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. You guys enjoy looking at the darkness. Did you see any aliens while we sat here? Because that would have been amazing. If you left the probe sitting there for long enough and it brought out the aliens. So those things are still researching. That's done. Low range communications, soil evaluation software. Let's get some of these cheaper researches started. And we can't go there. We can't go there. And we can't go there. So those 3 are off the table. Can't go there. We can't go there. There we go. That's the 3 missing ones. Launch probe. Gosh, I wish there was more to see, guys. I really do. But our camera, even though I spent all that money on cameras, it's just, we don't have color yet. And the music just plays so softly in the background. Launch another probe. It's our luck that they're all, you know, in darkness. Just our luck. Yes, I have some delicious coffee with me today. Exploration completed. It'd be funny if they just let the probes smash right into the planet. I mean, in the future now, we'll be able to recover them and put them in a museum on Mars. The exploration of Mars. Now it started with just a single probe and went further. Further, we fall through the sky. Try night vision again. Nope, still garbage. Alright. Well, let's check our task list. Objectives completed. Characterize the behavior and composition of the Martian atmosphere. Believed to have changed over the course of the planet's life, with evidence suggesting it's possible that Mars had large oceans a few billion years ago. Environmental Analyst Station. Instruments required for this. Behavior of the Martian. So we need Environmental Analyst Station, Environment Analyst Station and Monitoring System. Characterize the Martian climate and climate processes for the lower and upper atmosphere. The monitoring of the Martian climates will help understand how Mars behaves over its seasonal cycles and provide understanding of how the planet could change over the years. Oh my gosh. Color camera, alpha particle X speculator, portable electronic microscope, soil scoop, drill system. Alright, we're getting advanced at that point, but, oh, I see. Optionals are on the right side. Additional, they're required. Okay. So, Environmental Analyzer Station is what we need to research today. Environmental energy electromagnetic gas, low atmospheric entry, lithium. Why is the text so bad on here? You see how hard it is to see that? Medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, software and communications, optics and electronics. Let's look at chat. Jacob says, howdy, I haven't played this in a while, but I know one of the developers, Dram. Well, that's cool, Jacob. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Alright, we want environment. Is there a search button? Probes, landers, robotic extensions, cameras, power sources. Like, okay, telling us what we need to make these things. So we went an environmental analytics station. So first off, we need a gas particle system. So we'll start research on that. Then we need the gas crawlogger. Blah, blah, blah. Next, we need software for it. It makes sense. You need multiple researches to do one thing. If only it would slide properly to the left. And then we've already got low-powered socket. Cool. So, how long do we need to wait for this? Information. 2 hours for that portion. 2 hours and 8 minutes. 2 hours. So it looks like 3 hours would get it finished, and then we can start putting it together. So, time skip. 4 hours. Since we can't do 3. If you're still going to be streaming in 20, I'll try and play. If not, then we should totally play tomorrow. I'll be potentially still streaming in 20. But I don't know if this portion of the game has multiplayer. Is it only chapter 2? Or would you be able to launch probes with me, sir? Alright, we're in the future, so we should be able to get new missions. Oh yeah. Change vehicles. Let's change the name of the vehicle. So we've got some probe sites here, but I thought it was going to tell us that we needed to build a better probe. Do we need to construct vehicle then? Because this, oh okay, so it says we can take the EOS probe, which would have the stuff we need already. Mission details. Analyze and explore. So we'll go with the EOS. Or maybe that will only do one mission. Let's construct a vehicle. So, this probe, you need an environmental analyst station, okay? You need a camera, basic imager, telescopic, and then you need a power source. Basic battery. Let's launch. Launch mission. Alright. Not entirely sure if that portion is multiplayer. Yeah. Let's see. Capture gas. Do not move. Okay, we gotta wait till we land. We gotta wait for landing. It's of course night again, so we're gonna turn on night vision. Incoming ground detected. Take some lovely pictures. Do not move the instrument. Well, let's land first then. Oof! It's a beautiful day. Capturing gas. Capturing gas. Warning. Gas capture in progress. Do not move instrument. Gas capturing. Gas capturing. We are at 50% gas capturing. Okay. It's filling. There we go. Analyzation completed. Let's disconnect. Nice. We got that mission accomplished and we got paid out some cash. And we have our new probe body, so we can keep doing that at different locations. Let's see, what's this mission require? Explore, analyze. And this one? Photo. The only issue with the photo one. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Explore. Let's find another location. Mission objective. Oh. Analyze photos. We really need like a wheeled vehicle for that. Let's see. Mission objective. Analyze. Yes. We can do that with our latest $81,000 vehicle. Yeah, Jacob, try and join on me if you do see that we're still streaming this. Landing at night again. We're gonna turn on the night vision. Exploration complete. We're gonna hit. What is this bar thing here? I've never seen that before. It's down there now. Oof. Atmospheric gas. Ah, that's the window where we need to take the sample from. I see. Alright, mission objectives. We're gonna get 300k total once this is complete. Oh, shoot. Our glass took some damage there. Must be a sandstorm going on right now. Analyzing. Analyzing. Please wait. So the cameras can be damaged by sand. Objective completed. Cash paid. Look at that. The night side. Alright, I want a small rover. Or small lander. Or small rover. I want a rover. Let's research that. Is there a quick way to move that? No. I want to drag, but if it's down here it don't work. So it's gotta be up here, okay. Research. We don't want to run out of money. Then we can't launch any probes. There we go. That's it. So how long to get? 15 hours. 17 hours. And 20 hours. Alright. Can we skip a day? That would be 24 hours. To the future we go. And we are now in the future. Ah, so we have a rover now. So like these ones right here, mission objectives. Photo, analyze the atmosphere and explore. We can, because we don't know if we can get the photo in the right area, we're going to, is it only probes though? I guess we could try. It's only 81k. I mean, everyone's got that in their back pocket. Oh, it's nighttime too. Dang it. Standard hub. I want a camera because there's a camera spot coming up. 500 meters. 400. 300. 2. 70. 50. 40. 30. 15. Yeah, see, we can't get the camera part of it. We can analyze the atmosphere and get paid out for that, though. But we can't get all the money. And 620,000. Capturing gases. Analyzing sample. Ready. Ah, we were out of position. We rolled too far. Everything's up there. All right, let's disconnect. We'll have to send another mission, and this time it'll have to be a rover. Alright, over here. We have to go through the decon. There's no skipping this part. Is it done? It's done! Create new vehicle. Probe. Select chassis. Why do I only have the probe? Create new vehicle. Manage created vehicles. Exit construction. Tech tree. Why did you lie to me? Why is there more arrows this time? Oh my gosh. One more after that. What? 1250? It would take all my money to do a small rover. What about a lander? Done. This one, heat resistant ceramics. So we need 2 additional pieces, because I need some kind of platform for us to have our camera on, and this is going to be it because we can't afford to make a rover right now. So the 2 components we've started research on, this one will be done in 4 hours. This one will be done in 5 hours. Oh, skip for 8 hours. Alright, now let's create new vehicle, small lander. There we go. Okay, that's the one. Select it. So, we need the environmental station. We need a telescoping camera. Basic battery. Let's see. Power source. Battery. Navigation camera. Hazard avoidance camera. Terrain camera. Do I have an arm? Environmental stations. Cameras. All the cameras want to go up front. Let's see, what costs the most for cameras? Terrain, imager, telescopic, camera. Put that there. Wide angled camera. Oh, but navigation, well. There. Okay, cameras are installed. Now, antennae. Already got one of those. Antenna. Basic battery. Descent camera. Not valid slot. Do I not have an antenna researched? And then why can I build this thing if I don't have all the pieces? So, your vehicle is not... equipment is not valid. Do you want to discard the changes and exit the lab? No. I would like an antenna. Jacob, what am I doing wrong here? Where's my antenna at? Basic battery. Got it. Cameras. High-powered illumination system. Not valid. It's like I need a mask, so we'll cancel that. Exit construction. Go to research. Environmental monitoring station. Got that. That. Digital temperature sensor firmware. Say, yep. The mode you're in isn't multiplayer. Okay. It's worth a shot. It's chapter 1, so I thought I'd start with the first chapter. Missions required. Catalog the gases. Alright, can we go back from here? No. So we can't build this until we get an antenna. Ugh. We don't need to be deconned if we're going outside. Unless you're using some dangerous particles, buddy. Eh? Why'd you stop working, game? Oh no. No! 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 Don't do it, game. Not like this game. No! Jacob, you said you know the dev of this game? Tell him to get rid of this sequence here. It shouldn't be this painful. Exploration of Mars. Next page. Named after the first ship to blah blah blah. We're just distracting ourselves as we're trying to get out of here. What about 2? Atmosphere. Chapter 2. 10 pages. We need to unlock more information. Look at all that. No information available. Okay, game. This time don't lock up while I'm trying to click on this side. There we go. What can we do here? We can mission, analyze it. Perfect. So it says we can use probe EOS, but can't use small lander. Alright, let's use probe EOS. Launch. Hey, it's daytime. So we can really see how bad the camera is. Normal HUD. Coming down. Slight wind passing by my right ear. Got the exploration money. Good. We need that. Getting close. As long as we don't roll down the hill too far. Oof. Oh, perfect. Do not move the instrument. How about rock? Because we're just rocking right now. Oh my gosh, there's so many to clear. And analyzing phase. Boom, boom. Logs. Logged in. That's a good log. Analyzing. Analyzation completed. You have been paid for this mission. Nice. Alright. Let's get back some more mission objectives here. Let's see. You want what at this mission? Analyze and take a photo. See, the photo part is near impossible right now because we can't be sure we'll land in the proper position for that. So what about this crater? We could do a sampling, but it also has the mission for all that other stuff. New technology required. But I guess to get the objective done, we're gonna have to select that mission. We're gonna use the EOS, and we're gonna launch. Launch. And we're going down. Into a crater. Add some nice pictures right there. Each one of those pictures is worth $1 million. There's our shadow, but we're landed right on the rim, so hopefully we can stay in the capture area. We're going to hit the capture process, and we're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. It is capturing still, though. Oh, sweet. I think we're in the Goldilocks zone right there, unless we roll out of it the other way. Perfect. Analyzing sample. Complete. Mission done. Disconnect. Very cool. The Mars is being explored at a record pace. Nothing for the bottom of the planet. Oh, we don't want to rename a vehicle. Nothing we can do here. Top one. Nothing we can do here. So we'll just rotate the Mars. Gale Crater. We have one, I think. Mission objective. Yes. Launch probe. Wait a minute. Make sure we're on the right probe. We are. Launch probe. It might even be in daytime. Do not move the instrument. I know. Jacob, I know. It's only happened once where we rolled way too far, and then we couldn't get the details. And it was 82 grand in the toll. Garbage. It is definitely not daytime on this side. Do not move the instrument. Whoa. We're getting close. Oh man. Capturing that gas. Look at the stars. This out of focus camera that we spent millions making. Mission objective? You're gonna get paid 300K for this. That's nice. Analyzing. Mission completed. All right, so how much money we got? We got 200K. We cannot afford that. I still want to get a rover, but we would also need an antenna. Antenna mask. High gain, low gain antennas. There we go. So to get this antenna, we need low powered socket, a low gain signal, 75. It'll take 5 hours for that one. That's it. That's it for that one. Okay. What about the next antenna? We go that route. We need that researched. And then we need low gain signal amplification, which is being researched, but we need this one. Low range communications is 50K. We'll get that too. You know, anything that's like small amounts of money that we really won't feel, we should probably get that started. $25K, of course. 50K, yeah, that's fine. 50K. 50K. 25K. See, and then we open up all this stuff. Now we're gonna skip ahead in time by several hours. We'll just go 8. Skip time. So we jump into our TARDIS and head to the future. Perfect. We had a bunch of research complete. With the task of the major value completed. And then we had research completed on low gain, long range, soil, lithium cells, nuclear, soil. Cool. Well, that means we can use our lander. So, if we go here, mission details, they're gonna pay us 10,000 bucks to take a photo. Worth 10,000. Oh, and then 50, and then 100,000. So as long as we don't spend over 100,000 doing this, we're fine. The only issue is, like this probe right here. Small lander. 311. 311. So we'd lose money. Major worth 605. Oh, but then there's the other monies. And we got enough for the small lander now. So let's launch that. Oh, this is different. Descent speed. Okay, that was our heat shield going off. Oh my gosh. I see no instrumentation. Whoa, boy. Alright, we're on automatic landing mode right now. Thank goodness. I don't think the optics are good enough for me to land this thing by myself. "22 meters a second." Is this our jet? I think that's... Yep, we're landed right here. Here we go. Coming down. Seven, 4, 2. Okay, we've switched. Exploration mode completed. Science platform, standard controls. Okay. Okay, nice. So we can capture gas now. So those are the cameras that are on the front of the the lander. Since we couldn't put them anywhere else, they're just right there in the front. That's what we're seeing. Analyzing. $40K, nice. Now, can I rotate the platform? Oh, I can. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So the little stars there are what we're trying to take pictures of. Photos completed. Mission completed. Disconnecting. All right, we got our photos. It was in the. It was dark. It was dark, but I guess they'll still pay for them. That gave us a whole bunch of cash. Let's see. What would be good? The 0G probe costs so much money. Solar cells would be good to get. Just so when we get silicone cell, gives us these small lander batteries and stuff. 125K, worth it. Thermal couples are coming. Alright. Let's do another mission. Victoria. There's a mission up here. What's the details? Photo, photo, photo. Analyze. Explore. How much are they paying for this? 605. So we'll use small lander S's. Launch. It's gonna look like a used car sale when we're done with Mars. There's our heat shield. Okay, so major tasks plus minor tasks equals 705. Okay. Logs, flight mode, active. Heat shield released. One of these days, we're going to catch landing on Mars in the sunlight. And it will look beautiful. There's our spot. I think we've landed. Standard controls apply. Alright, to the mask. We need a sample taken. We're at 33% completed for this task. Total 20. Do not move the instrument. 50%. Oh, it reminds me of the Venture Brothers. Do not look at the nozzle. Processing. Once we get our rover moving, man, we can start taking samples and stuff. It'll be just like the little discovery that could. What? Photo mode complete. No, we got more photos to take. Heck yeah. Mission complete. Disconnect. We just got paid a whole bunch of cash. Alright, how is our objective looking? We've got the analytics being done, and we've completed document the characteristics of the Martian climate. Started old technology. Evaluate the long-term effects of Martian conditions on technology. Game doesn't look too long. I mean, we could probably do this in 4 or 5 episodes. And it's intriguing. I like it. We get to customize our stuff. Victoria Crater, new technology required for additional. Okay, we can go here. Mission details. Analyze photo. So we're gonna take a small lander and launch the mission. Launch. Daytime? The cover's coming off. Nope, it's nighttime again. Well, it's bound to happen. The lander's called Sunset. Couldn't be more wrong or right. It's one of them. Alright, objective's like 1K away. We're like coming right down on top of it. And no, I'm not clicking switch to manual mode. Not until we have a whole lot of cash, so I don't kill us. we've landed. I think we've landed. Yeah, yeah. It's very dark here. We must be in like a crater. And the capturing is done. So analyze that gas. Getting us one step closer to story completion. Alright. I didn't like that it didn't tell us anything additional. Oh, are we slightly out of the box? That might be a thing. Oh, we're gonna need a lander. Or not a lander. We need a rover. Because then we could just pull up into the box. But no, we're like inches away. Analyzing. Come on. Count, because I turned the instrument right into the machine. Or the cloud of gases. Yes! Oh, thank goodness. That could have gone bad. We really need to work on getting that little rover. Alright, tech. Rovers. Small rovers. We've got that one, we've got that one, we've got that one, and that one. We need multi-carbon steel. We need air cushioned restraints. That's the big one. That's going to take 30 hours. And that's it. Everything else is researched. And that'll get us our small rover, and then we can stop really worrying about not being able to do stuff. 30 hours. 30 hours. We could probably risk some more. Victoria Crater is finished. There's an objective over here. What mission details is that? Analyze photo explore. Analyze, perform analyze of the designated target. It's a 580 mission. We're gonna send the lander and I hope we get on target, because we seem to be a bit off. It's not 100% this is exactly where you're gonna land. But while we do this, that means that the research is gonna get a little further done. We could skip ahead, but you know, let's get another mission completed. So he's right on top of it. So he's got to go right, and then he's got to go left. I don't even know what that is. We're pretty close on target. This is where we're probably estimated to land. So we're up here. And we're in. Exploration completed. Take a sample. Another dark, dark day on the Mars surface. Instruments. Calibrating. Descent camera. Instruments. Active sampling. Analyzing. I like this. This is a lot more detailed than that. Alright. Then we need some pictures. Mission complete? No? There's still more. Where's the other markers? Oops. Ah! Alright, I need to move my bar here. Because the since the game didn't go full screen, the start menu is in the way a little bit. Oh, looks like... What's the mission say? We're here. Photos. Send to Steam. It's just dark. Resources. Martian rock. Mars soil. Mars atmosphere. Communications. You are here. Okay. Well, we got 66% done. Minor tasks are 100%. The major tasks, though. What is the major task that I'm not being able to perform right now? Tasks. Perform analysis of valid capture. EAS. Perform. So that's the only task, is to get the sample. The only issue is I don't see... Oh, it's right here. We were out of the box again slightly. Ooh. Analyzing. Hopefully this counts. Hopefully. Then we'll go look at how many hours we need to wait, and we'll just get that done. There we go. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, disconnecting. And research. The most expensive one was that air cushion restraint system. 30 hours. Okay. So, skip time. Let's go 2 days. We'll get 2 days off, you know? We are now in the future, and some stuff got done. So, new wiki entry. The density of Mars's atmosphere is a mere 1% of, or put another way, Earth's atmosphere is 100 times more dense than Mars. Even so, Mars' thin atmosphere can still support weather, including wind and clouds. Mars's atmosphere was once thicker than it is now, but thinned over time. Possible reasons for the included erosion by solar winds, collisions with objects large enough to eject a percentage of the atmosphere, and Mars' low gravity allowing it to bleed off into space. With all tasks and major scientific value completed, the mission can be considered accomplished. Accomplished. Weather warning. Demos. There's weather on the moon? Gale crater. Victoria crater. Bimetal utilizes the voltage generated along the junction of two dissimilar metals when subjected to a temperature gradient. Okay. So now we should be able to use a rover at like Victoria Crater. New technology required. At this crater, new technology required. At that crater. But what's the mission? No mission. Oh, here's a mission here. Weird. Let's see here. Small lander, probe, new small lander, new small rover. We could send a small rover. 100,000. So this is a 500 mission, and then it could drive over for the 620 mission. Mission details. Photos, analyze, explore. So we'd need camera and the ability to take samples with the EAS. And then this one's mission objective is the similar. So let's go new small lander, construct vehicle. So we need the EAS system right there. Then we need a power source. So chemical batteries is better. And then we need a camera. We can put one on the front and rear. So terrain, wide imager, basic terrain. Are these black and white? Maybe not. I don't know. It's covered up by my bar. Let's move the bar. Basic color imaging. Well, that's better than no color. So we'll put one of these in the front and one of these in the rear. And then that gives us the cameras, and then we'll go to power and we'll put a few more batteries in there. Yeah. Launch mission. I hope that works out. It's indeed dark in this thing. Oh. I've got something covering up half the screen there. See that along the top? Maybe not. Alright, coming down on our target. So I think we have to switch missions once we complete the first one. Okay. A triangle just dropped. Oh, that's probably what... Oh, shoot. It just bubbled up. If there was light, you'd probably be able to see it. I can barely see it. And I can't turn on night vision. Alright. And then this little rover thing is the thing that delivered the package. He's moving away. And I think he's landing now himself with a crunch. Crunch. Yep. Alright. Switch us over to our rover. Notifications. Logs. Unfolding. Deflating. There we go. Exploration completed. Let's take a sample. And in the camera, we'll go ahead and turn on the light. I don't even... Are we on our side? That's not what rovers are supposed to do. Sampling. All right, analyzing. Okay, did not get paid out for that. Okay. We've got a problem here. Cameras. Descent camera. Mass system, 6 wheels. Ah, okay. Oh. We need to go the other way. What is this thing we were on? Ah, okay. It's what unfolded and allowed us to come to the planet. And this is our backwards camera. That is... There's our front camera. Okay, that's a wide. Ugh, gross. This one's much better. Let's turn on night vision. Okay, a little better. There's a parachute? Okay. Okay, there's our tracks. Good thing we put in so many batteries. Because we have no way of recharging them. Okay, we're here. We need to head this way. Which way are we facing? So we need to head east. Do we have directionals? Okay. Our distance is getting higher. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46. What the heck? Should be going down. I just did a circle. 50. 52, 53, 54. No. This is just distance traveled on the planet. Okay. How much battery? Is that what that's telling me? This battery's at 75%. Okay, we're getting closer. We are getting closer now. It's like we're leaning back, like one of our wheels broke. Is that what that's telling me then? Is that we're at 75% health? Let's open up location. Okay, yeah, we're in the right direction. It's that way, though. This location is so far away. There's no navigation to tell me. What do those things say? Location information. Do not move. I'm moving. Power level. Location information. Time on Earth. Air pressure. Temperature. Crater. Current local mean solar time. That location information, maybe if I was trying to catch a plane, would be great. But we are so off target. Is this telling me something over here? It's that way. Ugh. We were going the wrong direction. It's alright. We didn't go far because we travel very slow. Like, there's our parachute right there. Still feel like my back right wheel is busted. Hopefully we'll have enough power to get up this hill. 'Cause it looks like it's quite a hill here. Slowly we get closer to our target objective. Battery level's doing okay. Glad we got those new cells in there. We can actually, I think, move this over, bring up this. We don't have any solar cells. At least I don't think we do. Totally getting dragged to the right. Almost there. So, benefits to the larger rover would be speed? If that's the case, I definitely would upgrade it. So I don't think there's any way to tell it to go there on its own. Unlike in real life. You wouldn't have someone telling it because of the delay time. Be like, okay, go forward 6 feet. And then 12, 13 minutes later, move forward 6 feet. Or to apologize. So, I'm sorry, Dave. I can't do that. Move down the screen. 250. terrain's getting a little bit rough. We might actually angle to the right a little bit so we can kind of curve up the hill. While we were in range of the other thing, we must have been hooked up by a wire. FBI, welcome back. Okay, now I'm back. I got 9 out of 10 wins and 19 to 25 players. Kills. Nice. Congratulations. We built a rover in the meantime. $200 meters to go. Weird how the power keeps switching from charge drain. I wonder if I do have solar panels on this thing. Then again, it's nighttime. How am I charging? I don't know. I've got 3 of those chemical batteries on here, so they're doing a great job. Yep, little mini car, but it's super expensive. This thing's like 380K, I think, 480K, something like that. Incoming rocks. Let's avoid those things. Only a measly 138 meters to go. So quiet on Mars. You can see kind of a, I don't know, hints of kind of clouds, but it is nighttime, so green is mostly what we see. Nearly 100 meters. Plenty of power remaining. Remember, doing this mission over here just pays for the rover. Once we finish the other mission over there, then we make profit. Exploration completed. We're here? Let's check the map. We're pretty close to here. And then I'm guessing the pictures want to be taken over there. Mission objectives. Examine the area of interest. Go over the edge. We should be able to see the area to take pictures. No mining of ores in Chapter 1, but I think we get to do that in Chapter 2. We need to get over there and mission. get over there and examine the atmosphere, I think, is the main one. $16 to go. We are here. Notifications. When the South Pole is in complete darkness, the North Pole enjoying continuous sunlight and vice versa. If there was no axial tilt, sun levels would be more consistent across the planet, with the equator seeing the most and dropping towards the poles. Alright, now we need to use our analyzer. Analyzing. Tell me how the mini GAR's not coined so fast? Not quite sure what you mean. Analyzing. Final steps. Completed. Okay. Take photos. We can do that. Mission accomplished. Although the axial tilt and the reason Mars has seasons, it's the planet's varying distance from the Sun that is responsible for their uneven durations and intensity. Mars's orbit around the Sun takes quite an extreme ellipse or exotic shape, resulting in the distance between two bodies varying greatly throughout the year. With all tasks of major value completed, it's done. When the South Pole is in complete darkness. Oh, we already read that one. Alright, we've got enough battery, I think, to get over here, and we might even be able to see our old probe friend. Let's see. This is our vehicle, Explorer 2. Assigned vehicles. Let's see. Enterprise. Enterprise, we're going to unassign you from that mission. And then this one, we're going to have Explorer 2, assign vehicle. Are you sure you wish to assign Explorer 2 to mission reference 9282? Yes. Okay. That's the one where we rolled down the hill and could not complete the mission. So now we just got to get over there and mission details, take photos, and analyze the atmosphere. Okay. Back up to this mode. 500 away. So we got some time. Let's read chat. Don't know. But yeah, I would have gone to the river this morning with my coworker, but he has not responded. Most likely he's sleeping. It is his day off. It would have been nice, though. This rover has gone quite a distance at 588 meters, and he's going to do another 551 once we're done here. Be definitely lonely on Mars. But you know, with the Elon Musk sending rockets to space, every one of them brings us a small percentage closer to being able to live on Mars. And the moon, and possibly fight in wars against communist China, since they want to take over the universe. $489 meters. It's gonna take a while. That's alright. I see that Discord has got 2 messages for me. Let's take a look at what they are while I'm holding this button down continuously. Schmeeble says, take on me? No, it's take on Mars. And direct message from Playways and mod chat. Whoa, sweet, says Kevin. I'll probably join in 10 to 20 minutes. At Kevin. I got a rover. So the only thing that's going to take a lot of time in this game is just traveling the distances. So getting a larger rover with a higher top speed will be key for us keeping down the travel times. Once we get some new instruments up here, like radiation, drilling, we'll be able to do all sorts of stuff. Oh, Discord changed it to river. Because it's a V, not a B. Do 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 do. $300 to go. Not bad. Couple more minutes. Our charge is approaching 50%. Ooh, music's playing. Just out of nowhere. Target's down there. Cool. Oh, we're getting close, guys. If only it was daytime. There'd be so much more to see. Like rocks. Right now we just see the demon shapes of non-human rocks. I should get a documentary from Mars on like Amazon or something. Let's see here. Mars documentaries. Mars Calling. Mars 2030. On to Mars. Nova. 1. Voyager Curiosity. Packing for Mars. 7 Unsolved Mysteries of Mars. When we left Earth. Nothing directly what I'm looking for. Oh my gosh, I wasn't paying attention. Where did that rock come from? Or did we fall? Oh, we got broken legs in the back, it says. Uh-oh, we're rolling. Yep, we're falling downhill. Okay, we're right back up. Oh gosh. We must have rolled up onto a rock and flipped over. So our rear wheels are dragging now. Our consumption of energy went from 30 to 22. So we've lost 2 motors. I was just looking at my phone for just a second. Yeah, our poor legs are all twisted. We can do it. 239. This thing's almost traveled 1,000 meters. Almost. So close. That was definitely surprising. $205. 202. $180. Oh. Sound changed. Here, I'm gonna go to Discord real quick. And jump into the gaming channel. See if Kevin will join me. $150. Of course, my chat's now blocked. There we go. There's the music. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, we're going up a hill. Let's go around these rocks that I kind of see in the distance. $132. I wonder what the power level means, because that goes up and down. The charge state at the bottom, though, is definitely at 50%. Maybe it's available power, since we're only drawing 22.3. But then again, it's ticking down right now. Yeah, I don't know. Can't even see the objective. The controls are in the way. Oh. I'm concerned that I'm going to fall straight down and flip. I'm tilting? Tilting? I think we're okay. We're very close. So with the completion of this mission, it pays for the rover, even if it's a bit busted. $75. Is this a dip? Is this a dip? We seem to be okay. This is a dip. As long as we don't ramp off any rocks, we should be fine. $45. We actually should see our probe friend. Oh, he actually landed outside. Yeah, that'd definitely be a mission not complete. $30. Charge state, 50%. 25. 21. 19. 17. 15. 14. Mission update should come through soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're here. Atmospheric gas sample. Right. This area? I hope it's not saying on the other side of the hill there. Oh, great. We're right outside of it. Notification. Mars's atmosphere consists of carbon dioxide, 95%, argon, 2%, nitrogen, 1.9%, and oxygen, 0.14%. Carbon monoxide, 0.06. A number of trace gases as well as water vapor have also been quantified in certain regions. Methane has been detected in trace amounts. Okay. Now capture gas. We are in the pocket. So after analyzing that thing, Capturing, please wait. Then we got pictures to take of the rim. Analyzing. There we go. Take photos. There we go. Mission accomplished. The composition of the atmosphere varies over the poles due to the colder temperatures of winter, freezing up to 25% of the carbon dioxide and depositing it as dry ice. Until, with the arrival of summer, warmer temperatures return and the CO2 is gaseous form, where it sublimates back into the atmosphere. With all tasks of major completed. Nice. Alright, let's disconnect from this rover. He did his job. J-Man, welcome to the stream. We're just exploring Mars. Alright, what do we need to get a bigger rover? We need improved mobility, 600K. Improved internal, larger landers. How much money we got? We got two. Yeah, we'll do that one. Improved wheel control interface. That's almost $1 million. That is $1 million. One other one. And that's already researched. Okay. So we're doing all right. Let's check our objectives. Characterize the behavior and composition of the atmosphere. We're at 8 out of 10, and we have additional 4 that we can do. Let's go back to the map. Victoria Crater is done until we get newer technology. That is done. We can't do anything in orbit. That is done. Let's check out Deimos real quick. Nothing additional. Okay. Until we get new technology. Earth. Europa. I don't think we have anything for that, no. The moon? No. The asteroid belt. Now, 500K. Will we actually be able to do anything here? So we're going to pay. New technology required. Of course. But at least we don't have to spend that later. Ugh. Let's go make some more money on Mars. Gale Crater. You got anything for me? Yeah, you got some missions. What do you got at this place? You've got explore and analyze. Take photos. Photos. So you got 3 spots. We could land up here and take care of this major one using our small rover. Small rover. Small lander. Small rover. Last edited rover. Small rover. Oh, I didn't realize we spent so much on that. So this mission's worth 650. This one's worth 680. And this one's worth 300. That would pay for it. But dang, that's expensive. This one over here we could do with just a probe. Like a basic probe. It doesn't even need pictures taken. 77K to get us 300? That seems like a better deal. Yeah, let's launch that. Launching the old probe. I'm at lunch, says J-Man. Alright, man. That sounds delicious. Don't mind the black screen. Of course, it's the night side at this time. We're coming down. Oh, where? Oh, where is the ground? There it is. Just needed to analyze. the atmosphere once we hit the ground, and hopefully we don't roll out of it. Starting the instrument. Instrument progress. Sampling 30%, 40%, 50%. Dun 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 dun. And analyzing sample. And this should make this mission completed. Mission accomplished. So, what do we get? Mars's atmosphere included a large amount of dust blown up from the planet's surface. The dust particles measure about 1.5 micrometers and are made of oxidized iron. Looking up from the surface of Mars, the sky appears a light brown or orange color due to all the dust. Good to know. Alright, let's see here. Tech research is still underway. J-Man says, I have probably the most normal lunch ever. A ham and cheese sandwich. That sounds delicious. And that's pretty normal. Gale Crater. So we got 2 more missions here. And nothing there. Gale Crater. That's the only place we have missions at. So, 650, 680. Let's launch. Yeah, let's launch that right there. So, our lander will be landing soon. And hopefully it's daytime. But I can't promise nothing. Oh, it's night. Getting deeper into the atmosphere. This is the lander creature or carrier. That's our lander there. If only I had more light. Aziz, light. There's the parachute. I will probably won't be able to make and what? Landing. Oof. Alright, what's the log saying? Retro stage disconnecting. Airbags. Oof. We're rolling. Is it doing something? Ah, deflating airbags. Takes a second for rovers to unpack. Deflating airbags. Airbags deflated. I keep pressing send when I'm not with my messages. Not done with my message. Oh, I see. Unfolding airbags. All right. Cameras. Where are we? Let's turn on terrain and night vision. Which way is forward? Oh, that's the mass system. We want 6-wheel drive. Oh gosh, there's a lip there. I've already damaged the wheel. Dang it. Why is the thing in the air? Is it on a rock? Yep. Gosh. That's not the safest place for a poor little guy to go. Okay, winds. There we go. That's the front camera. And I've already got a broken wheel. Oh. Alright, how off? Oh gosh. So we gotta go. We rolled down the mountain here. We gotta go back up this way. Yeah. Yep. Objective camera. There it is. Up there. 500 meters. Forward! I won't be able to make most streams until middle of May because I have golf after school. You're playing golf, J-Man? That's awesome. And you did it. Woo! Alright, let's see. There's a... It's pretty rocky going up this hill. I can see the shadows of the rocks. Just adjust our course a little bit. Adjusting. Oh, I've got a few scratches on the camera too. I can see them. Maybe flipping this thing over wasn't the best idea. Do the instruments still work, or is this a waste of time? Conditions okay. We'll just have some scratches on the pictures. $443. Once we get up there, we'll get the new mission debrief. Probably gonna be a pretty hard climb right here. The angle's increasing quite heavily. Oh, there has to be a rock right there in that little opening I was heading for. Okay, adjusting. System. It's gonna flip. Oh. Come on. We did it. That's not good, though. We fell right down the hill. Not too far. 1 or 2 flips? I can't turn left, though. The wheels are too broken. Oh, there goes 100. Well, $1 million. Down the drain. There we go. had a little turn there. Gosh, this one won't be able to do both missions. It's dragging too much on the right side. Is there anything I can do about that? Any damage control, or, you know, lift those things off the ground so they're not dragging? No, I can't get up any higher that way. Well, this rover, Liberty 1, is going to have to rest in peace. Its mission sadly ended after a flip when the angle got too great for it. It landed too far off course, resulting in heavy damage. We might be able to get it into the zone, but it'll take a while. A long, long while for it to be able to squeeze itself between these rocks and be able to complete its mission. So I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm a little disappointed in this little guy. He didn't last very long. And now, today I have golf right after school, and I have a band concert an hour later. You're a busy man, Jay. So thanks everyone for watching. This was Billy, limping along on the Gunjamed channel as we crawl up the surface of Mars. Thank you. Bye-bye.